one thing, because we're worth it. God bless you, God bless this great country, and God bless Donald J. Trump. Now, Bebidog's got a prediction for everybody here, and here's the prediction. Bebidog says we'll retain the House, the majority in the House. We're going to flip the United States Senate. And overwhelmingly, we're going to elect Donald J. Trump and J.D. Vance in November.
Hello, America. I'm committed to keep Americans safe from threats both at home and abroad. As a former Army officer, FBI special agent battling organized crime, and chairman of the House Intelligence Committee, I've seen how dangerous the world can be. But in all my time working to protect America, I have never seen anything like the Biden-Harris open border policy. They are rolling out the red carpet for violent gangs, fentanyl, Chinese spies, individuals on the terrorist watch list. And listen, our adversaries aren't stupid. They know that all they need to do is wait until nap time at the White House to push the limit. Does anyone really believe that another 4 years of Biden, Harris, and the Democrat Senate will make us safer or more prosperous?
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the next President of the United States, President Donald J. Trump.